Our Trustee's mission is to pay pensions securely, affordably and sustainably for around 350,000 members. This depends upon attracting the right people, effective delegation and robust governance. There are 16 Trustee directors with significant rail industry experience within the board. Half are nominated by employers, half by members. This ensures a really important balance of views and that the needs of all stakeholders in the railway's pension schemes are considered. Each Trustee director has a 6-year term of office, and roughly 1/3 will retire by rotation every 2 years. The Trustee put in place a succession planning working group to determine what actions could improve board diversity and support future recruitment. There has since been an increase in Trustee directors from ethnic minority backgrounds, greater age diversity and more female representation, including a first female chair. The full name of the Trustee is the Railways Pension Trustee Company Limited, RPTCL, and it is 100% owned by a holding company that is equally owned by rail employers. The Trustee is legally responsible for the proper running of 4 railways pension schemes. 2 of these schemes, the British Transport Police Force Superannuation Fund, BTP-FSF, and the Railways Pension Scheme, RPS, are open to new members. The BTP-FSF, known as the fund, has nearly 8,000 members and total assets of over £1.5 billion. The largest of the 4 railways pension schemes is the RPS. Within the RPS, there are different defined benefit and defined contribution arrangements. The largest has over 100 sections, with over 350,000 members. Each section has its own set of scheme rules, unique funding levels, investment strategies, and employer covenant analysis. The industry-wide defined contribution, or IWDC section, within the RPS is its defined contribution section. It is an authorised master trust, which means it's closely supervised by the pensions regulator, TPR. The Trustee Board delegates many responsibilities to specialist committees which enable individual Trustee directors to utilise their skills and expertise in specific areas. The Integrated Funding Committee agrees funding plans for the railways pension schemes, with consideration of employer covenant, investment strategy and funding strategy. The Audit and Risk Committee considers financial reporting, internal governance, oversight of Trustee and scheme risks and appointment of external auditors. The Case Committee considers and decides on the payment of benefits in complex situations where cases have not been delegated to Railpen or to a Pensions or Management Committee. It also oversees the quality of pensions administration services for the defined benefit schemes. And the Defined Contribution Committee ensures the appropriate management and governance of the DC arrangements. To implement its decisions, the Trustee delegates to 2 subsidiary companies, Railpen Limited and Railway Pensions Investments Limited, RPIL, which are collectively known as Railpen. Railpen Limited is responsible for the payment of benefits, communications, administration and much more, and RPIL safeguards the scheme's assets and how they are invested. To conclude, through the application of rigorous governance standards, the Trustee helps navigate regulatory and industry change, ensures ongoing value for money, and helps to safeguard the future sustainability of pension schemes for its members.